outdoors due to their water, due to their water and frost resistance. There are 4 types of vitrified tiles: soluble tile, double charge, full body, and glazed. And there are satin and rustic. There are many types of tiles are used for residential and commercial applications like roof tiles, pebble tiles, floor tiles, and wall tiles. Next, various types of tiles like nano polish vitrified tiles. If you apply a layer of liquid silica on vitrified tiles, then it fills the micro nano pores on the tiles surface and make it smooth. These tiles are called nano polished vitrified tiles. What is double charge tiles? These are fed through a press that prints pattern with a double layer or pigment. They are 3 to 4 mm thick layer than compared to other tile. This process does not permit complex patterns, but result is in a long wearing tile surface, suitable for heavy traffic and vast commercial projects. Full body tiles. Vitrified tiles have pigment in entire body, means thickness of the tiles. This makes chips and scratches less visible and give an ideal choice for high traffic zones. But the process is considerably increases the cost. Glazed vitrified tiles. These are GVTs. Nowadays, you can see this new word in the market. Glazed surfaces tiles, they offer a vast variety of design, art, work, and surface textures like wood grain, bamboo, slate, or stone. This tile is now printed through digital printing technology. PGVT, like polish glazed vitrified tiles, are similarly the GVT tiles in glossy form. Next slide, please. Uses of tiles. There are some places around the home that can be benefit from the application. Like guys, earlier we use marble and granite, but nowadays we have so many variety and finishes in tiles. We can use tiles on the countertops in making furniture, in washroom, wall and floor. In fact, we have a beautiful decors to decorate our niches in washroom, backsplashes area like kitchen wall highlighters, floorings, anywhere, exteriors for elevations and porch areas, wall essence, like you can see these decorative products. So this is a brief knowledge of tiles, which I shared with you. You can ask any questions. Thank you so much.
Anybody for questions?
Long-awaited demand of all the members that members should be given a chance to talk about their business. So we are starting a 6-minute presentation where the members will be given a chance to talk about their one specific project, all the challenges they faced and how they overcome that. By this, we will learn from their experience. And this week, we have architect Pratik Ranga.
So I will.
Pratik graduated in architecture and design from School of Planning and Architecture, India. Currently acting as director design in Urban Design Lab, New Delhi, a subsidiary of Iconographic Designs Private Limited. Pratik's passionate and thrilling work experience was beyond the seamless boundaries of India. Associated in the past with the design studio Sri Lanka and Elegance Design India, his exposure of residential and hospitality designs are matchless. Worked on hospitality designs in Maldives and Middle East. His focus area includes the user interaction and user experience perspective for public designs and landscapes. Residents of Rohtak, Haryana, his father is retired official from Skill Development Department and his mother served in Women and Child Care Development Department. Presenting you architect Pratik Ranga.
Hello everyone, good evening. So basically today I'll be talking about a project which I did for the government of Bihar, the Department of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. This comes under a project of restoration, habitat restoration, and it's basically in forests of Kaimur district, which is also known as Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary. Directly going to the concept, I would tell about it. The DF, for the District Forest Officer, asked us to make a interpretation center of forest in a given patch of land. So what we started with the concept of order of streams. Just we all know that how order of streams become from stream order 1 to 2 and then to 3, like how droplets from glacier combine together and form a first order stream, and then many first order stream combine together to get a third order, second order stream, and then the process goes on. So with the same concept, we made some ponds and channels in a park and connected them in such a way that they give us an interpretation of a stream. And also we have used some specific trees and plants to give it a interpretation of a forest. In this slide which you are looking at now, you can see the side. No, can you this slide only? The first picture, which is a small picture of a waterfall, it is basically the top of waterfall. The site is at the top of a waterfall. And the adjacent picture is a picture of a pond which we developed over there only. And some pictures are very small, but you can see there are sculptures of animals like crocodile and the local species of the animals. There was black buck also. And in a picture where you can see a bamboo structure with a painted wall was just a washroom, and then we painted it. Additionally added a bamboo structure over it to give it an icon of the park, because it was the largest structure we could make there. Otherwise it was basically a landscape project. Next slide, please. Yeah, this was the picture while we were making it. And if you can see, or you can zoom in, there are some benches kept, which was in a mass production, because we were working with the sustainable product, which was a bamboo. And the these people, labor and all the craftsperson were locally availed. They were living nearby in the villages, the Karkatgarh to be exact. Sustainable materials were used, like bamboo. Yeah, this is a picture. It's a gazebo which is overlooking the waterfall. And as the brief of the site was that this was the most visited point by people, with the visitors. So this has to be a hardscape area. So we were planning it to be a hardscape area, but still we were providing tiles in such a way that we can have grass in between these spaces. The next slide. Okay, the more of attraction point was this bridge. It is made up of engineered wood planks, and this is a suspension bridge. It was of around 60 meters in length. The challenge was to just make this bridge because it's a well in between the 2 points. Water used to flow from there. Next picture. Yeah, finally we could come with some beautiful shapes of the pond. It's a circular one, and it also shows the weather was very nice. Next. Okay, that was it. Yeah, I'll end up my point here.
Anybody has any
about it
question?
or on discussing?
I have a question, Yogesh ji.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, in the picture of the pond here, I wanted to ask: do you use a membrane here wherein water does not permeate, or do you just start with concrete based?
It's a permeable membrane of stones. First, we used to dig the soil out, and then a layer of locally available stone, which was chipped, were laid down, and then at the top of it, the base was not filled with this slime and plaster thing. Only the walls are filled, so that if when water stays in it, it can receive down.
Okay.
So we are completely adding water to the soil.
Okay. And what would be the source of water in ponds here?
Yeah, exactly. There are two sources of water. First, you can't see in the picture actually, but if you have seen the waterfall connects with the river.
Oh.
So we have taken a channel through it. The one source if rain doesn't come, and the second is the slopes are cut in that way that the first order stream itself will get together in this pond.
Okay.
The slopes are managed in that.
Very impressive project. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
I must say it's a very impressive project, but that was a brief, I think, and we would like to hear a detailed version also from you, Prateek.
Yeah, sure. We can keep a session for that also. I have a lot to say about this project because I have stayed here for like 8 months. I was on site every day. We had this part project management also for this, and we have planted around more than 30,000 plants in just 2 months over this site. So I can share some pictures which were previous pictures before the project, and some new pictures which I have shown here.
That's a great thing. That's a great thing. We would like to hear you for that more. And so everybody, I would like to ask कि सभी इसके बारे में